At approximately 9:56, Northampton County Dispatch Center received a report of a fire within the facility here at 110 South Commerce Drive. At this point, 2 employees of the facility have been transported to area hospitals with unknown injuries. The fire has resulted in some interior damage inside the facility and is currently under investigation by the fire department. And at this point, there is no immediate danger to the surrounding area. Been transported to area hospitals, and at this point, I don't know which hospital they have been taken to.
Shoot pictures of us too. How are you? Let's start there. Can we try that just once? Let us. Bill Adams shows up.
No. I'm at the rear. I do have a little bit of smoke coming out back door. Alright, see ya.
Currently, the firefighting staff is okay. All firefighters at this point are out of the building, and we are waiting for Lehigh County Hazmat to arrive on the scene.
Green tanks Hazmat.